Morning, people. Happy Saturday. Another video. New video. Let's get it. Today's hustle, or this morning's hustle, run some new dope under this trailer. Just to supply, 20 feet from here to it connects under the trailer. Let's go. There you go. That was the supply. All new, bro. All the way. What's up, people? This is my freaking third call at the apartments. Already done two before that. The duct work and no cool and PJOS. Well, you guys know apartments keep me busy. What is the third one today? Found the condenser fan motor not spinning. She looks shut out. I have to open this panel up, check the capacitor, but I might need a new fan. Here you go, people. Capacitor to fan. Supposed to be a 5. Supposed to be a 35. Capacitor is too low. As you can see, we got capacitors. Nothing but capacitors this week. Okay, people, I wasn't that blessed. I'm trying to get off work already. I'm fucking tired from yesterday still. My body's still hurting. I changed the capacitor. I think that's what it was because it was low. But nope. But it's good to go now. So with repairs, heating and cooling.